What's going on, guys? Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to use vidIQ Keyword Inspector step by step. In the left column, select Search, then select Keyword, then type in your video topic or idea, then hit Enter. You then want to pay attention to search volume and competition. So as you can see, Superbike has a fairly high search volume, but it's also high competition. So we want to focus on search volume and competition. We don't want the search volume to be low. We want it to be high, and we want the competition to be low. So as we can see, Kawasaki Ninja H2R has a high search volume and low competition. So its overall score is 72, which is fairly good. Then as we can see, there are other words here like Suzuki, Motorsport, Ducati, highlights, which are fairly good scores. So you then want to choose the best keyword based on score and use it in your video or title. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.